Bismillah ar-Rahman. Allah is the only one. Who is Allah? Do you know? Allah created stars. Allah created moon. Allah created sun. And Allah created mountains and trees. Who created Allah? Do you know? No one created Allah. قل هو الله أحد. کہہ دو کہ وہ اللہ ایک ہے. Say he is Allah one. اللہ الصمد. اللہ سب سے بے نیاز ہے. Allah the self-sufficient. لم یلد ولم یولد. نہ اس کی کوئی اولاد ہے اور نہ وہ کسی کی اولاد ہے. He doesn't have any children and he was not born. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. اور نہ ہی اس کے برابر کا کوئی ہے. And there is no one equal to him. How can we get closer to Allah? It is very easy. Just follow these 3 simple ways. Remember him, talk to him, and be kind. When you do these things, Allah's love will fill your hearts, and you will be peaceful and happy.